linear differential equations LD. Linear differential equations. An equation of the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q, where p and q are functions of x alone. So this is called linear differential equations. To solve such equations, we multiply both sides by integrating factors. So integrating factor if is equals to e power p dx. This is the integrating factor of the equation is the form of dy by dx plus py is equals to q, where p and q are the functions in terms of x. Now, by multiplying both sides e power px of equation dy by dx plus py is equals to q, we get so integration e power integration of p dx of dy by dx plus py is equals to q times of e power integration of p dx. From this, dy by dx into e power integration of p dx plus py e power integration of p dx is equals to q into e power integration of p dx. So dy by dx e power integration of p dx plus y times of d by dx of e power integration of p dx is equals to q into e power integration of p dx. From this we can write as d by dx of y e power integration of p dx is equals to q into e power integration of p dx. By integrating on both sides, integration of d by dx of y into e power integration of p dx is equals to integration of q into e power integration of p dx. dx. So y into e power integration of p dx is equals to integration of q into e power integration of p dx into dx plus c. So this is the general equation of a solution of the differential equation. Now Let us consider an example of, so the general solution of differential equation is uh, D is y into e power integration of p dx is equals to integration of q into e power integration of p dx plus c. Solve. So what are the steps to be followed to solve the different linear differential equations? First one, convert the given equation to dy by dx plus py is equals to q, where p and q are the functions or constants in terms of x. In terms of x, make the coefficient of dy by dx as 1. Make the coefficient dy by dx is equals to 1. Find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p dx. Fourth one is solve the equation. Solve the equation y into if is equals to integration of q into if dx. If the equation in the form of dx by dy plus px is equals to q, where p and q are the functions or constants, functions in terms of y, make coefficient of dx by dy is equals to 1. Find integrating factor, that is e power integration of p dy. Third one is solution of the equation is solution of the equation x into if x into if is equals to integration of q into if dy. The function in terms of x and y. If it is in dy by dx plus py is equals to q, dx by dy plus py is equals to q. let us consider example of take an example of linear differential equation. X square dy by dx plus y is equals to 1. So the coefficient of dy by dx is x square, makes the coefficient equals to 1. So divide by whole equation by x square. So dy by dx plus 1 by x square into y is equals to 1 by x square. So now it is the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equals to q, where p is equals to 1 by x square and q is equals to 1 by x square. First find the integrating factor I of. I of is equals to e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p is 1 by x square dx. So that equals to integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, e power minus 1 by x. So that is the integrating factor. So therefore solution, the solution is x into, so y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So y into integrating factor e power minus 1 by x is equals to q into integration of q into q is 1 minus 1 by 1 by x square e power minus 1 by x dx plus c. Now take e power minus 1 by x as d. Minus 1 by x is equals to d. So the derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, become 1 by x square dx is equals to dt. So y into e power minus 1 by x is equals to integration of e power minus t dt plus c. So y into e power minus 1 by x is equals to, so minus e power 1 by x will become plus e power t, e power minus 1 by x plus c. From this y is equals to e power minus 1 by x by e power minus 1 by x plus c by e power minus 1 by x. So y is equals to 1 plus c into e power 1 by x. So this is the solution of the given differential equation.